Is it on? I think so. Yep. Okay. Girl, Madison, stop firing cannons. What if you breaking our boat?
Girl, can't break it. And
I'm so bright. Girl, put that motor away. Now it's sideways. Oh, Constance would get affected first while she turned. Okay. Sturdy.
I'm trying to rotate all of it.
Ooh, box taking damage. What? Ooh, my eyes blocked.
Oh, stop that!
Now he's the cat tip stepping all over him. Okay, guys, let's get ready. Matt's finna get hit first. The block will be turning red. Okay.
20 motors receiving damage.
Owie, settle something hurt.
Get up and don't sit. My motor. Can I even get out the boat? There's fish? That's a koi fish. Can I even fully get out?
What's up, man?
Hi. Wait, are you in my... Oh, you're on the ladder. That fish is literally chasing us. Oh my freaking god. Tell him to move. Okay. Oh dear. Where are we at? Huh? Now what station calls for all of this to be? Oh my flippin'. Are you what? Cause they'll tear your side up. Literally only your side too. That's the crazy part. Dude, your boat is reduced to shackles, shambles, shreds. The boat I got the boat hopping, and my side still remains intact.
Okay, I got to get another chair. It's okay.
You might as well get up.
Y'all done took my chair.
Cuss his ball back there. Hey, you just like me. Hold on tight, my fellow brothers and sisters. She is. She's on the top. Like
I somehow got out.
Madison, y'all should take the time to get the freak up and go sit over here with me, huh? Oh, y'all gonna save my base for last or something? Why we got balls of?
It's tumbleweeds.
I was gonna say some type of narcotic. Just what the heck? Is that ice cream?
Yeah.
It's popcorn. Eat it.
Oh, and Cuss is gonna agree with me. Them cars slicing us. This might be what's that darn movie name? No, well, maybe that too. Category America version.
Inspired off. No, that's not it. It's a bingo.
The crusty old dot-head kid cough that just came out of your mouth.
Hey guys, y'all can't say that, but other than my bridge staying up right now, my bridge looks amazing.
Well, you put all your effort in the bridge. Madison, I think that's how you get up. Cousin, get up.
I didn't take the bridge.
Come sit over here with me.
I didn't even take the
You really sat there. Hi there. Oh, I didn't get a third chair, Madison. You on your own. Whoops.
I'll go stand.
Did you get reduced to duck? Oh my gosh. It's UFOs. Constance, we forgot this. Ooh, holy.
Man, I was at the end too.
Oh my god.
I got this in another stage.
If all these bombs don't stop going off. The UFOs. Oh, we barely passed it. Holy. I'm not making it. Yes, he's still there.
What she said?
Why is it painting?
What's up, Nate? Bro, they took my hair.
Treasure expert. Can you open these treasure chests that they give you?
Because my hair got so small after that.
Can you even open these treasure chests that they give you?
No, I don't know. Let me check. Shoot.
Because they just got all these treasure chests and they're just here for nothing.
Let's see this one. It's for sure.
I'll survive.
She made it at the end. Oh, no, she could.
Now
Now she in a huge rock area. Them ships gonna be diminished.
Well, that was definitely a nice expedition.
Yeah. Y'all
Definitely.
definitely.
Ah! Oh man.